difficult. Help me help you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another installment of Tech It Yourself. Today we will be bringing you a tutorial on how to create your own custom thumbnails. So we will be using a program called Pixlr.com, which is a website of course, and we are going to be creating our own custom thumbnail. So we're going to start off by making a new image and setting the presets. So I like around 1900, and this also depends on the size of the image you are going to use as your background. See, there's lots of images on here and they all have their sizes at the bottom, but the image I will be using is indeed larger than these presets. So I will open image and show you right here. So, and boom. So there it is. So now I will fast forward the video and I will complete the thumbnail as so. And there you have it. It's that simple. That is basically the gist of how you make your thumbnail. So now, let us save this. And I'll put the quality all the way up. And we will save this. Good. Now that you know how to make the custom thumbnail, let us show you how you upload it. So now that your thumbnail is done, you've saved it, it's got it downloaded, and your YouTube video has also uploaded, you can put on your custom thumbnail. So just go here, take it, and boom, there it is. It should pop up. Some changes are not saved yet. There it is. That's how you put your thumbnail on your YouTube video. So I really hope this was helpful to all of you out there. If you have any more future ideas, please leave them down in the comments. Like this video if it was helpful for you, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.